Your legal questions, his expert answers. Now it's time for Getting Legal with Tim Misny.
When it matters, make it Misny. He'll make a pay.
I'm sitting here with Tim Misny. He's the most recognizable lawyer in Northeast Ohio, and we definitely know your slogan, make 'em pay. How about we make Tim answer your questions? If I'm stopped for a DUI, should I take the breathalyzer?
If you refuse, you are subject to automatic suspensions and penalties. Excuse me if I sound judgmental, but shame on anyone who drinks and drives.
Absolutely.
This conduct is reprehensible. For over 30 years in practice, I have seen the consequences of drunk driving. People have been killed. They've been maimed. Families have been torn apart. For the love of God, never put yourself in a position where you have to ask whether or not you should take a breathalyzer.
All right, this was a big story. 5 Ohio State football stars were suspended for the first 5 games of this next season for violating the NCAA rules. Do they have any rights?
Yes, of course. However, the Supreme Court has ruled that the NCAA does not have to afford the same due process rights that we all have under the Constitution. That being said, the NCAA substantially abides by those requirements. Since the players don't dispute the violations that occurred, the only thing left under the due process is to appeal the duration of the suspension. I believe that the penalties given to these young men are unduly harsh in light of the fact that they are remorseful and have accepted full responsibility. I wish them the best of luck in their appeal.
Go Buckeyes! All right, you have me sold. I'd hire you. If you'd like more information or even ask Tim Misny a question, you can log on to 19actionnews.com or tune in next Friday for more Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Thank you, Tim.
This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny, sponsored by the law offices of Timothy P. Misny.